Hello everyone, this is Shashank and now I'm going to show my ninth exercise of my case tools lab. This is the deployment diagram, and the deployment diagrams are used to visualize the topology of a physical components of a system where the software components are deployed. So the deployment diagrams are used to describe the static development view of a system. Deployment diagram consists of nodes and their relationships. The name deployment itself describes the purpose of the diagram, and deployment diagrams are used for describing the hardware components where software components are deployed. Component diagrams and the deployment diagrams are closely related. Component diagrams are used to describe the components and deployment diagrams are used to deploy the uh, in hardware. Uh, UML is mainly designed to focus on software artifacts of a system, but the two diagrams are special diagrams used to focus on software components and hardware components. So, most of the UML diagrams are used to handle logical components, but deployment diagrams are made to focus on hardware topology of a system. Deployment diagrams are used by the system engineers. The purpose of deployment diagrams are visualize hardware topology of a system, describe the hardware components used to deploy software components, describe running time. Deployment diagram represents the deployment view of a system. It is related to the component diagram because components are deployed here. Deployment diagrams are useful for a system engineer. An efficient deployment diagram is very important because it controls the following parameters: performance, scalability, maintainability, and portability. So before drawing a deployment diagram, the following articles should be kept in mind. Nodes and relationships among the nodes should be kept in mind. Here in my deployment diagram, here I have given for a railway reservation system. Here first PC is used, the online railway reservation system PC is used, and PC the website is the main thing where we can book a ticket or cancel a ticket, and the server is the main one where the ticket total data is controlled or is handled in the server itself, and the database which can store the data, which stores the data in the database, and the printer here, this is the hardware to print out the ticket, and this is used. So this is my deployment diagram, and my this is my ninth exercise. Thank you.